Unraveling the mystery of croaked. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a unique English phrase, croaked. This word might bring to mind the sound that a frog makes, but in the world of idioms, it has a different meaning. Let's explore it. To begin, let's first look at the literal meaning of the word croak. A croak is a harsh, raspy sound. It's often associated with the noise that frogs and toads make. So when you hear someone mentioning a frog's croak, they are referring to that distinctive sound. Now, let's delve into the idiomatic or figurative usage. In slang, if someone says that a person croaked, they don't mean that the person made a noise like a frog. Rather, they are using a colloquial expression to say that someone has passed away or died. It's a more informal and somewhat light-hearted way to express this, so it's essential to be sensitive about its usage. For instance, it might be used in casual conversations among friends or in fiction, but would be inappropriate in formal or somber settings. Understanding any term becomes easier with examples. So, let's see how croaked can be used in sentences. 1. Did you hear about the old tree in the park? It finally croaked after that last storm. 2. I can't believe my computer just croaked. I was in the middle of my project. 3. Heard about the goldfish? Yeah, it croaked last night. Notice how the term is used informally and in various contexts, not just about people. As with many idioms or slang phrases, context is crucial. Using the term croaked to refer to someone's passing might be seen as insensitive in many contexts. It's essential to be aware of your audience and the setting when you decide to use it. Always prioritize empathy and sensitivity. There you have it. The word croaked is a versatile term with both a literal and a figurative meaning. As you continue your English learning journey, you'll come across many such phrases. It's the beauty and complexity of the language. We hope this video helped clarify the meaning of croaked for you. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.